Hi there, it's Ryan from HappyTrader here. I am the CEO, head quantitative researcher, and the chief enthusiast of HappyTrader. And I wanted just to take a moment to show you how HappyTrader bot works and how you can try it for just $9.99. And by starting, I just wanted to welcome you to happytrader.io. Thank you for considering us. And I wanted to let you know a little bit about our company. We are a startup as of late 2022, and we have been working on our algorithm the entire year, and we have been trading for much longer than that. So this is something that I created to try to bring more awareness to trading and more advanced and sophisticated strategies to the beginner and retail trading crowd. So go ahead and watch the next couple slides and I'll explain how it works. HappyTrader.io is designed for simplicity and results. We only trade one ticker, which is the SPX cash settled index. We only trade intraday, meaning no overnight holding, no stress, of holding a trade overnight. We utilize strict risk management in the form of stop losses, which will be explained later. You can start on paper trading, which is the very best part of Happy Trader. You can get that proof of concept just by subscribing for the first month, get used to the alerts, understand how these algorithms and trades are working, which are selling options on SPX intraday. And you can then scale slowly. So you can start at one contract and you can scale up to two contracts once you start to see some results. And should you desire, you can switch to real money to follow these alerts. However, we do recommend to start with paper trading. As it says at the bottom here, risk management is at the core of happytrader.io. And I do believe, especially when designing this algorithm, that without risk management, you don't have a cornerstone of your trading strategy. And you really do need to have that tight risk management in place to let the proper probabilities of the win rate play out. And here's a peek at our private alerts. You can see our alerts dashboard to the right and what the nomenclature and context looks like of the alerts. You can see the stop losses there. You can see that we also send alerts prior to the trade, and our algorithms do really handle all of the heavy lifting and are able to crunch the numbers and the probabilities and the win rates and such, combined with the volatility of the current trading day, and spit out those trades accordingly to give you the best possible chance in our estimation and in the algorithm's estimation of a successful trade. Now, subscribers will receive push notifications when Happy Trader Bot enters or exits a trade. Users can paper trade our bot for proof of concept, which is the coolest part. And I do recommend using E-Trade or Thinkorswim, TD Ameritrade as the brokers for that to get comfortable with it for the first month. The big thing with us is that the cost is very low compared to the value delivered. And I set that up intentionally because I wanted to give retail access to more sophisticated strategies similar to those that the banks are using and hedge funds, of course. So our mission is really to empower retail traders. That was kind of the big springboard to get this thing running and bring it out to you. And we bring a very strong product to the table. You can see our trade logs directly on our homepage. So if you're interested in getting started and giving it a shot, we call it a test drive. All you have to do is click the test drive button directly on this page. Go ahead, fill out that form, and you can check out for $9.99. What that will do is trigger a series of emails and onboarding and give you access to the alerts. And you're also going to receive a link, which is extremely important, to another keynote similar to this one that explains precisely how to trade alongside the Happy Trader bot and how to read those alerts and how to plug in those trades. I go through a specific example of that. So the last thing is, again, I know I've mentioned this a lot. It's best to try this on a paper trading account for 30 days. And then if you're confident in the strategy, even if you want to continue paper trading, we have an extremely aggressive low cost of $140 per month. And most of our successful members are making more money than that. So it pays for itself. So yeah, if you have have any questions, I just wanted to welcome you and thank you for watching this presentation. Send any questions you have to support@happytrader.io. We also offer live chat directly on the webpage, and I sometimes jump on that live chat myself because we're still a startup company, and I like to help as many members as possible. Thanks a lot, and happy trading.